Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the earbuds. Charge each bud to at least 30% and keep the case lid open so they stay active. Once done, forget the JBL Reflect Flow Pro on your phone or PC so old pairings don't interfere. Next, you'll put the buds into pairing mode. Press and hold both touch panels for about 5 to 7 seconds until the LED indicator flashes. This tells you they're discoverable. Make sure to stay close to the device while you proceed to the next step. You now perform the actual reset sequence to clear internal settings. Place both earbuds back into the charging case and close the lid for 10 seconds to power cycle them. Open the case and immediately press and hold both earbud stems for about 10 seconds. You'll feel brief tactile feedback. Keep holding until you see an alternating or repeating LED pattern. This visual cue confirms the factory-like reset. After that, release the stems and wait a few seconds so the earbuds finalize their internal restart. Finally, repair the earbuds to your device. Enable Bluetooth, scan, and select JBL Reflect Flow Pro from the list. Accept any pairing prompts that appear. Once connected, play audio and check the mic in a call to verify left/right balance and features work. If the headset doesn't appear or the connection drops, make sure Bluetooth on your device is restarted, then repeat the reset sequence once more. This resolves most stubborn pairing issues. If problems persist, test with a second device so you isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.